why does one want to come here? If you want to look at a thought leader's perspective, something from the academia, I think this is the right place to be in. A lot of times there are issues which you get biased opinion on. You want to break out of the clutter, attend this event. You'd find a lot of answers, a lot of different perspectives, and yes, they're interesting people to meet as well. Everybody who loves the field of finance and investing should come here.
Morningstar has kept pace with the times, and newer aspect of investing gives us a good exposure to that sitting in India without needing to visit the world. The world is coming to India through Morningstar.
This is one of the conferences that actually provides a great deal of value, particularly those who are in the investment and wealth management profession.
Gain an insight on markets, on economy, and probably use it in our day-to-day working life.
It's been a very informative session where I have gained a lot of insights from some of the leaders of the industry and way forward where the industry as well as investments are going to be headed. I use the website pretty often to review funds, to get analysis of all the funds before I could recommend to my clients. So Morningstar has been a great help in my journey as an investment advisor.
Kind of subjects and the topics which has been covered into the entire conference, it really motivates me to come all the way from Nagpur. But I feel I should not miss this conference. Professionalism which is here is really amazing, and I believe that this is one of its kind in the entire year conference.
I feel great and privileged to be part of the Morningstar conference this year. For a person managing a portfolio management company, it gives us a different perspective and gives us a much more humbling experience and an extra edge for us to learn new things. That would be the learning I personally would carry forward from this session.
Important thing from this conference is to come with an open mind, come with a learning approach, because if you come here and think about your customer, you will get a lot of insights on how to manage your customer through these difficult times and how to create a long-term customer satisfaction through using the latest tools which Morningstar makes available.
Few other AMC partners have also put up their stalls, and some of the relevant stuff is being put out on their stalls. So I think it's all in all a very good event to come to, network, gel with people, try and understand what's happening in the markets, and I kind of look forward to it.
If there is one event which you must put it on your calendar on an annual basis, it's the MIC. You get to know a lot of global insights, you get to listen to a lot of industry experts, you get to network with a lot of your colleagues and your peers and your business partners who are advisors or who are distribution partners in the banking space.
Morningstar provides the ideal mix of advice from an external content side as well as their own in-house panel of experts. All of them are something that you can use it in your profession, hence one should not miss it.
It's a great event to be in, like every year. One of the key takeaways of this event, which I think the whole fraternity looks forward, is for always the whole global knowledge which one gets exposed in this kind of event, unlike other events where it is very on the domestic side.
Morningstar really gets a thumbs up from among the whole bunch of conferences that one sees, hears about, sometimes attends and says, no, this is the one we will continue coming to.
It has a very touching impact through the knowledge and through the networking.
I think there's a good bunch of speakers here over the next 2 days.
Attending Morningstar conference, I always look forward because the experience is very diverse. The speaker lineup is very good, based off in the industry.
It's flabbergasting to see the size of the conference, and I was really thrilled to hear Mr. Amitabh Kant. It's been a really great way in which the conference has been organized, and the variety of speakers and the topical subjects which are being spoken.
I found Sarah Newcomb's session that particularly useful, more so because she is approaching it from a behavioral side and how to handle clients and how do clients behave towards money when you have emotional stability or financial well-being.
This is my 4th year at Morningstar. The growth is unparalleled, and of course the knowledge that's being shared is getting better and better by the year. Crowd also has been growing very stably and steadily. So I always recommend all my friends and colleagues, advisors and of course investors to take part in the MICs. The knowledge that is being shared has been distilled over the years from various experiences.
Independent knowledge rather than the knowledge which is sponsored by all the manufacturers or the product sellers and all that.
All in all, a very good mixture of soft skills, of market intelligence, of global macro trends and networking. So all 4 put together is the MIC for you.
Congratulations to Morningstar for yet another super successful edition. Like all years, this is a beautifully curated program that they come up with every year. Right from the theme that is selected, the subject, the panel, the way the discussions are moderated, they're really insightful. And I think every year they are creating this sort of a thought leadership platform, which the entire industry pretty much looks forward to, and especially it's great to hear some of their international team members, because these are certain best practices they get to share with us and we get to learn from. So look forward to next year.